Windows Update Error 0x80070302 can happen due to corrupted system files or update glitches. In this video, I'll show you simple steps to fix it. Let's get started. Use Disk Cleanup to remove unnecessary files. Search for Disk Cleanup in the Windows search bar and open it. Click OK to select your system drive. Then, click on Clean Up System Files and click OK again. Select all available options then click OK and confirm by clicking Delete Files to remove unnecessary system files. Restart Windows Update Services. Search for CMD in the Windows search bar. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes to allow changes. Now, type the following commands, one by one, pressing Enter after each. Netstop bits. Netstop wuauserv. Netstop appidsvc. Netstop cryptsvc. Once done, type Exit and press Enter. Now, right-click on Windows. Start and restart your PC. Thanks for watching. Hope the tutorial helped you, so subscribe and like please.